Have you ever dreamt about having a big backyard like this without any neighbors behind you?
Have you ever dreamt about living in a golf course community just like this one?
Have you ever dreamt about having a gourmet kitchen just like this?
Have you ever dreamt of a master bathroom with unparalleled views just like this one?
Have you ever dreamt about having a grand open space with high ceilings just like this?
Have you ever thought about having all that with excellent schools?
Well, guess what? We can make your dreams a reality. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 5954 Gleneagles Circle. An elegant Tuscan retreat perched on a ridge featuring spectacular unobstructed views of the Evergreen Valley Foothills, located on one of the most desired streets in the Silver Creek Country Club, with no rear neighbors and only rolling hills. A charming gated and secluded courtyard entrance with decorative touches greets you, great for morning coffee or tea. This beautiful and meticulously maintained home has been stylishly upgraded throughout. A stunning marble entry with sweeping staircase, dramatic soaring ceilings with walls of windows, and modern light fixtures. A chef's kitchen has been freshly updated with a large serving island, walk-in pantry, and a breakfast nook. The downstairs bedroom suite is perfect for guests, an au pair, or multi-generational living. All the bedrooms are ensuite. The luxurious master suite has a spacious balcony with serene views, a retreat that can be used as an office, and an enormous walk-in closet with extensive built-in cabinetry. Relax in the substantial master bath with spa tub, large standalone shower with dual heads, and a separate sizable linen closet. Quiet and peaceful backyard with large pergola and glorious views. Perfect for entertaining. Enjoy hiking trails, parks, and award-winning Silver Oak Elementary, Sheboygan Middle, and Silver Creek High Schools nearby. Minutes from Highways 101 and 85, with access to upscale shopping, restaurants, and Silicon Valley high-tech companies. You don't want to miss this one.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
And now, as you saw, it's a gorgeous property, and we can't wait to see you at our mega open house. We're going to have live jazz music, food, and drinks. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.